Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Nespresso coffee machine. Mostly the hotels are having the Nespresso coffee machine in the room. So you just need to fill up the tank with water and switch on the button, and on the top this green button you can just press, and then you need to wait for the light to stop the blinking. Once the light stop blinking, then only the coffee machine is ready to operate. So since that we just need to wait. Now it's ready, so we will just insert the coffee capsule inside this is the Nespresso coffee capsule. So we will just insert the coffee capsule inside the coffee machine. Just close the handle and then press the button on the top, and you will see the rich creamy coffee coming out from the top of the coffee machine. Here your coffee shot is ready. You can either drink it with a dash of milk, or if you're a really good coffee lover, you can just sip without anything. No sugar, no milk. A sip of espresso will make you fresh all the day. So it's very easy and very nice coffee machine, and very easy to use. Once you just open the handle up, the coffee capsule will drop down to the bottom, and then you just need to rinse it with the water and wipe it with the tissue, and then fix everything, then put it back. So you are done, good to go. Close the handle again and turn off the light, turn off the button, and yeah, that's it. So you're all done with your coffee, and the shot of espresso will keep you refreshed all the day. And this is the ideal coffee machine. You just need it at home. You can see the Nespresso logo on the top of the machine. So I love it. This is the best coffee machine, I would say, and very easy to use. Thank you.